Hello everyone. In today's video, I will explain the assembly and installation of master cylinder, oil pipe, and caliper. I'll connect the master cylinder to oil pipe first. When connecting the oil pipe, make sure to place the sealing rings at both sides of the oil pipe joint. Then connect the caliper to oil pipe. Now add the brake fluid into the oil cup. Next, I need to exhaust the air from the oil pipe. First, loosen the exhaust screws of the caliper, and then repeatedly pinch the brake. Now the brake fluid and air begin to come out of the exhaust hole. Slightly tighten the caliper exhaust screw. Add brake fluid again, and keep pinching the brake. Bubbles keep coming out. It means there is still air in the oil pipe. Keep pinching the brake, then loosen the exhaust screw of the caliper again. After confirming the air is exhausted, tighten the exhaust screw immediately. Test the brake several times to ensure the brake system is responsive. And be sure to clean the brake fluid on the master cylinder and caliper, as it is corrosive. Also, you can adjust the feel of the brake lever here.